Finally, patent application describing Motorola Razr with a foldable display was published by Patent Office. Let's discover details of fresh patent application recently filed by Motorola. Welcome to iTRIZtv. If you like our videos, keep watching, like and subscribe. And this is one of the initial patents of old Razr. And I'm sure you remember this old foldable phone. This patent describes the phone itself with the special buttons on its side. And these special buttons utilized for scrolling through the contacts or texts. Now let's see what we have in this patent about new phone. Alright, inventors proposed the phone with the foldable display. And this shape is nostalgically reminding about old clamshell model. Here is a picture of the smartphone with flexible display in unfold state. And what are these? What are this series of rectangulars along the perimeter of this smartphone? In patent application, it said that these are sensors placed along the perimeter of the smartphone and then can operate together. These can be touch sensors, accelerometers and gyroscope, infrared, magnetic and many other types of the sensors. Why we see so many sensors here? It's written in this description that joint application of the sensors can give users additional gesture interface. Unfortunately, these gestures are not described in great details, but we can imagine that user can press or activate these sensors both in unfold and folded state. Similar ideas of additional pressing interface on sides of the phone were already mentioned in patents of other manufacturers. For example, HTC proposed similar approach of interface for smartphones with rigid displays. Hope we will see what is the difference in forthcoming patent applications. And even me, I was also thinking about similar user interface and even applied patent of user interface of phone with bent edges when user is pressing on these edges of the display. From my personal point of view, here inventors propose to enhance traditional multi-touch interface by gesture interface utilizing sensors along the perimeter of the foldable display. If two user interfaces are merged together, this is addition, one of the schemes of hybridization. Please keep in mind that addition of two technologies is most frequent case in technological evolution. Learn TRIZ and hybridization. This was Valeriy Prushinskiy, and I am telling about inventions and patent from point of view of theory of inventive problem solving. And I invent with TRIZ tools. The links of the article about one of my patents are behind me right now and under the video. And if you like our video, please like, discuss and subscribe. And don't forget to hit this little bell for notifications. See you next time.